Okay, so basically what the situation is, we're waiting on transport because we're going on our day tour. We managed to get up in time and just about get everywhere, and I think this is our transport, so we'll find out. But yeah, we're sharing it with other people, so oh well. Oh, I didn't even do an out picture or a video. I'll do that when I go back to the hotel. But yeah.
So we will wait here at least 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
The car is coming through here. Pick us up.
So is this the first stop?
Yeah, this is the first stop. This is one of the beautiful malls that they have here. You can take a picture if you want me. If you want, you can. I can take your picture.
Okay.
And then yeah, you can go inside up to the door.
Yeah.
Just look at the domes and that's it.
Right, guys. The first stop is to like the mosque, and we're not going inside this one, but we're just like looking at the outside of it. We're waiting on the minibus, because we just got a lift with the car, so now we've got a 14-seater coming, and then that's going to be like shared with other people, and then it's going to just go through, like, we'll see how long it takes. Hopefully it's not like a really long tour, but it's okay. But yeah, people staring. Jyoti. हाँ? वो मैंने सेल टावर चलिए. And this is the Burj Khalifa. Basically they spent a ton of money to make a tall building, and now they're making another tall building. So yeah, so they made one tall building, now they're making another one, so yeah. But we'll go up there eventually. I'm loving this color. Huh? मैं संगती हूँ, okay? मैं हन संगती मेरा कलर बहुत पसंद है, असच. So yeah. Oi. Right, we're at one of the beaches, and we've got that building, Jabera. Burj Al Arab. That's what we have. And, yeah. Look how cute my top is. Yes. Yeah, so that's one of the stops, and he was saying how it costs like so much, but the hotel rooms are like really nice, and yeah, we just learned so many fun facts in that way, and we've learned so much about the country. But yeah. And then we're gonna go back to the hotel. I think we've got like one more stop, Atlantis, and then we're going back, so we need to like unwind and sort everything out. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Hello, Mike. On your right side, yeah. That's the Jumeirah Beach Hotel, huh? The shape of the hotel is like a wave. They have 599 rooms. Access the water park right here. This is what they call the Wild Wadi. Selling those property in this building, the residential building. They are selling those between 80 to 120 dirhams per square meters. The rent 190,000 for a yearly basis for a one-bedroom apartment. With blue roofs.
Please do not throw me.
I can. Just say, throw me.
No. No, I can't swim. Yeah, so guys, this is the Atlantis walk. And Atlantis? Yeah. We've got like everything there, basically. Yeah, so it's like a quick stop, and then we're gonna go back home after this. And these shadows look so bad.
Go back home. In the room. Go back in the room.
Go back home. That's home now. For 7 days.
Oh,
See? I make it home. I just don't make roti up. Okay?
रोटी तो बनाऊंगी नहीं, रोटी बना के तक खिला फिर मैंने एक दिन बनाई सी भी बटरफ्लाई जी मिठा उत्ते पाता ओदे
नहीं जो बाकी वाली मैं बनाई तेनू पता भी नहीं लग्या मैं बनाई रोटी तेनू भलेखा लग्या कि मम ने बनाई है तेरे
मम ने बनाई है
नहीं बनाई सी मम कर रही नहीं सी
तू भी नहीं सीख रही
मैं
अच्छा इधर करके ड्रोन दी ट्राई ना कर मैनू
नो
इधर कितना कोई मैं डर जाना
Guys, we're back at the hotel and I'm going to show you a full length of my outfit. So I've got a mustard coloured bodysuit with some flared trousers, so they're like flared, and then I'm wearing it with like my boots. Yeah, so it's not like too hot here, so it's like wearable.
तू रिकॉर्डिंग करनो हट जा मेरी मैं तेरा गला घुट देना तेनू करना तेरा गंदी बनावा तेनू
नहीं बनाना बंदी